Alright, so now we are pouring all our oil. We have checked it. The mark is where it should be. Had a little spill here, so we spray some cleaner to break down the oil spillage, so we don't have excess oil on the engine. Alright, we're going to clean it up as well. So now, start the vehicle, let the vehicle come up to operation temperature, and then we're going to use our Amsoil intake manifold cleaner, clean all of that, install the new filters, and that's where we do it. Alright, we're not going to change the transmission feel today. It doesn't need changing just yet, so we're not going to trouble that. Alright, so now we're going to clean our throttle body and valve. Remember, follow the instructions on the can, shake well, have the rev up to 2,500 to 3,000 and spray moderately. Spray moderately until the can is finished. So the engine don't die out on you. You do that until that is finished. Alright, so valves are clean. Reinstall our new filter. And we reinstall back our air mass meter and all of that. And close up. So we are pretty much now done with the engine. We're going to install now our cabin filter, so I'll soon show you how to do that. Carnation, Jamaica. Stay tuned.